So, recently I've been making this game where you use eggs for bowling, and every time you hit a pin you earn some money, and later on you can use this money to buy different types of eggs from the shop. But when you hit a pin, there's a different chance of the egg exploding depending on which one you used. For now, there's only the chicken egg and the quail egg, but later on in the video, we're gonna add a new egg to the game. The quail egg is much smaller, but more precise than the chicken egg. Now, I'm gonna add an ostrich egg, but if I wanna do that, I need to see how big it is compared to the chicken egg. Turns out it's much bigger than the chicken egg, but it looks roughly the same, so I'm just gonna copy this white chicken egg and just make it bigger. Now that it's bigger, I can just change a little bit of the properties of the egg, so I can make it like more precise or less precise, or faster or slower, and I can change how likely it is that it's gonna break. So I'm just gonna modify that a little bit, and then I'm gonna be